In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in PowerPoint to create slides from a Word document. We'll be using Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint, so this walkthrough assumes you have access to it. Start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new blank presentation. Beginning with a clean deck helps Copilot place content clearly without clashing with any existing slides or themes. Now, look up at the ribbon along the top for the Copilot button. It's usually labeled Copilot and easy to spot. If it isn't there, make sure your PowerPoint app is up to date and that your Copilot subscription or license is active. In some workplaces, features roll out gradually, so if you still don't see it after updating, it's likely an access issue rather than anything you did. Click the Copilot button, then choose Create a presentation from file or the closest wording your version shows. When prompted, you'll be asked to supply the source document. You can browse your computer and select the Word file, or, if your document is stored in OneDrive, you may have the option to attach a link. Either approach works, just pick the location that matches where your file lives. If you're offered a description box, add a short note to guide the intent, such as, use this Word doc to make a business slide deck. This optional context helps Copilot align the tone and focus of the slides with your goal. Go ahead and send the request using the arrow or send button. Copilot will read through your document, generate a first draft of slides, outline key topics, and often include speaker notes pulled from the main points. The cleaner your Word document's structure, think clear headings and logical sections, the better the slide organization will be. Very long documents may be summarized to keep the deck focused. When the draft appears, take a moment to review and refine. Adjust titles so they're short and descriptive. Trim dense paragraphs into concise points and tweak the layout so each slide communicates a single idea. Check the speaker notes to ensure they match how you want to present, and reorder slides if a different sequence tells the story more clearly. Small edits to wording can make a big difference in how the content reads on a slide. And that's the process. By starting from a blank presentation, pointing Copilot to your Word document, and then polishing the draft, you can transform a document into a clear, ready-to-present slide deck in minutes.